I just wanted to talk for a moment about some of my concerns, my interests, my reasons for being here. I am the only computer person in my math science computing department at a small liberal arts college, so I'm always looking for opportunities to work with the other scientists, mathematicians, and people in other disciplines as well, social sciences, visual arts. So learning new computational tools, learning the language of other disciplines, I think it has been valuable for me this summer. One of the things I realize I need to do is a short software inventory, find out what people are already using to do things like visualization. I know VMD is in use at my school, for example, but are people using ParaView? I think part of what interests me is understanding how I can work with students and faculty to bring some of these tools to their attention and to leverage the resources I have to introduce people to how to use them. So tutorials are a common way for us to do that at Bennington College, but there's only one of me and many of them, so how do I address that issue? I think these screencasts are one possibility. I need to learn how to do them well and have a bit of a presence, get rid of the talking head in the lower corner here, and focus instead on things like program code. I wrote a little script the other day to take this sort of typical computer science-ish program code that has comments indicated with the hash mark here, interspersed with instructions for how to perform the task. And it occurred to me that those comments really are a type of checklist that we use. So why not format that as a checklist so that you can hand that out to someone who wants to take a tutorial on a particular topic and help guide them through the process of working with the tools. So my little JavaScript looks for the hash marked lines and converts those into a literal checklist that could be printed out and used with students. I can also use these screencasts to guide people through terminal sessions, such as the logins to Puma that we've done this week, and introduce them to Unix type commands, listing directories, changing into a directory, and thinking about how to go about compiling code on their own. Including, as David showed us yesterday, checking the optional configuration settings in a piece of community code, looking for parameters that we might want to change, such as enabling multiprocessing, disabling Fortran, and ultimately logging out of their terminal session. I hope this gives you a sense of how I might leverage technology to help bring more computing conversations to my campus and to collaborate with others. I appreciate the feedback I've gotten from everyone this week and the conversations I've had. Best of luck to you as you take these ideas back to your campuses as well.